Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows. There are a couple of solutions for this, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, so this error is caused by missing or corrupted dependencies, system files, or compatibility issues. And there's a couple of different things that you can do to try to fix this. So let's go through it one by one. Step 1, reboot Windows. Of course, I'm sure you've tried that, so let's go on to the next step. Step 2, enable the .NET framework. So open the Start menu and search for Windows features. Now here, if I can change, there we go. Locate the .NET framework options on the list and enable both checkboxes for the .NET framework components here and here, and then click OK to download the required files if prompted. So do that and see if that fixes your problem. Step 3, run the program or game as an administrator. How do you do that? It's pretty easy. Let's go to my desktop, for example. Let's go to a game, let's say System Shock, which is a great game I've been playing recently. You want to right click on this. You want to hit Properties. You want to go to General, Advanced. By the way, you want to make sure this is unchecked. Then you want to go to Security. Then you want to go to Advanced and give yourself administrative access. So change the owner to yourself and then make sure the access has full control. Also, for example, if you're running an Xbox Game Pass, let me show you how to do it. Open up Xbox Game Pass, right click on the game, let's say Call of Duty, go to Manage, go to Files, go to Browse, find Call of Duty, go to Content, and find the executable. This is going to be the same for any game, but it's going to be something .exe. By the way, you cannot see the file extensions on by default. To do this, go to View, Show File Name Extensions. If not, then this will come up as COD. Anyhow, I'm getting off topic a little bit. So find the file extension and right click and say Run as Administrator or Properties Compatibility. Run this program as administrator, hit apply, hit OK, and that will run the game as administrator. You want to try that and see if that fixes your issue. Step number 4, reinstall the application or game. That's pretty simple, but go to Control Panel and then go to Programs, yes, and then uninstall a program and then find the program, then uninstall it. Of course, if you're on Xbox Game Pass, you could right click and say uninstall, or Steam, you can do the same thing. You want to install or update DirectX. So go to the official DirectX download page here, or you can just Google DirectX and download it. Step 6, update your graphics driver. That's pretty self-explanatory, but try to update your graphics driver. Step 7, verify the game files. For Steam, this is very easy to do. You go to right click on the game, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, say Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Xbox Game Pass, very similar. You right click on it, say Manage, see Files, go to Verify and Repair. Also on Windows, you can do this by going to Settings, go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, find the game, let's say Stalker 2, that's great. Go to click on this, go to Advanced Options, click on Repair and click on Reset. And this will basically go through the game and see if it needs to repair anything. It'll go through the registry. This actually fixes a lot of issues for a lot of different people. So give it a try. Step 8, install the required game libraries. So make sure that you have the latest Visual C++ redistributables downloaded and install both the x86 and x64 versions. Restart your computer. ensure compatibility mode. What that means is that some games run on 32-bit, some games run on 64-bit, and it will come up with errors if you're running the wrong version of the game for your Windows, of course. Then check for missing DLL files. So if you're missing files such as this file in System32 folder, or this file in the WoW64 folder, then you might need to replace them. And the last step is to scan for the corrupted system files. How do you do that? Open command prompt. So type in cmd, right click, say run as administrator. It'll ask you if you want to, if you're sure, say okay. Copy and paste this here. And then copy and paste this here after this is finished. And this will, well, this takes some time obviously. After you've done that, restart your computer and see if that fixes the problem. I'm going to exit out of this. Okay, that is all from me today. If this fixed your issue, leave the video a like. If this didn't fix your issue, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.